Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my garden. So the majority of my roses are floribundas and I will show you in this video how to prune them in the spring. And after that I will also create cuttings from the branches I cut off. But before that, let's discuss a minute what is a floribunda rose. So compared for example with David Austin or an English rose, the floribundas have multiple flowers on each branch and they are a bit smaller than, for example, the English roses, while the English roses have usually one flower on each branch and they are huge. You guys, these roses were so beautiful during the summer, but now they just look messy. You will need to cut back more than 2/3 of the entire length of the cane, and you will need to look for buds that are looking towards the outside of the bush, because you will need to leave the inside of the bush as empty as possible. So I will start with this cane, and this one has a bud here. You will need to make a cut 1 centimeter above the bud in a 45-degree angle. Otherwise, on the surface, water can accumulate and fungi and bacteria can install really fast. You will also need to cut everything that is dead and everything that is crisscrossing. These look now so beautiful and organized, you guys. And don't worry, they will grow back in no time. And now let's go make cuttings. After you finish pruning the roses, you will end up with lots of branches like these. And these actually can be planted. These are cuttings. Just make sure they don't have any leaves, and at least one of these buds will be in the soil. Also, make sure you don't put the branches upside down because they will not make any roots this way. So always keep in mind which one is up and which one is down. When you're done, just close the lid. This way they will not dry out that fast and will have a lot more chance to grow roots. Also, don't forget to open the lid so they also receive air. Thank you a lot for watching, you guys. See you next time. Bye!